How to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application. After that, tap on your profile icon. Now you will see an option of edit profile. Tap on it. Now scroll down and then if you had if you have added your WhatsApp or any kind of other links, it will appear over in the link section. All you have to do is go to edit links. Since I have not added any kind of link, it is not available. So scroll down and then go to link. Then all you have to do is remove the WhatsApp link. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.